Thank you, ma. Who is the next? Who would like to share? Farid, you have to go if you're getting late. Thank you, Farid. Go ahead.
I like the program, the energy obtained in the Shakti Sagar. Be prepared to go back and apply lots of boom, as Himanshu said. The gratitude thing, meditation was really good. And if you're really lucky, you can also smell a lot of chameli and fragrant flowers.
Wow. Wow. Thank you.
The same thing experience I got the same experience. We don't use perfume.
Come here. Your name?
My name is Himanshu. I am from Mumbai.
Okay.
I was actually waiting for some program like this for a very long time.
Wow.
And I got it. Good that I'm a part of this program, and I'm really looking forward to this being spreading to schools and children, because grown-ups at 36 and children at 6 or 16 would make a lot of difference. And I'm really looking forward to this. I got many things out of the program. The experiential nature of the program helps in digging deeper, dealing with issues at a deeper level, and it opened up many facets of life and living for me. And I'm looking forward to more and more of this, and I don't know this will take me further.
Any particular incidents you would like to comment on?
There are many incidences that
any breaks that you got through?
Yeah, one was completion. The need for completion was felt.
Wow.
Why that completion is required? It's only that your knots are tied up, and it's because of the incomplete things. So once you're complete, and your basic goal is to move higher, than those knots have to be open. So completion is a natural thing which I got. That was just one thing. So many other things. Basically, that we as human beings exist and relate in the lower chakras.
You learned the art of moving ahead from the two chakras, basically.
Absolutely.
Between the Muladhara and the Swadhisthana.
Yeah, how we exist and how we relate, how we associate with people only in those two chakras.
Right.
So the possibility of greatness is non-existent, absolutely. So one should just recognize that there is a possibility opening. So there was a reason to exist for a higher living. So basically that came up. Yeah.
Thank you very
so
much. Next, how about you? Please mention your name.
My name is Sunil.
Yeah.
First I thank to
Yeah, Ma.
Kavya Nitya.
Ma Kavya?
Because of her, I know the Swami's work.
Wow.
Because I think in this program, today's program, Swami was sitting in front of us, and actually he was actually yesterday I feel he is guiding us here.
Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah, and because of that, and such a Guru, Nityananda, and teacher like Kavya Nitya,
Wow.
there is a bit of confidence, increasing the level, each and every level is actually first time I am facing the mic here in my life.
Oh. Wow.
Because of this program only. Because I always hesitate to go on the stage and by taking the mic. But first time I am doing all these things in my life, and these all credits goes to Bhagavan Nityananda and Kavya Nitya.
Thank you very wonderful. Everyone is overworked. Yeah, ma. Anything you would like to say, ma, about your?
Yeah. Actually, I would like to speak to everybody rather than just you.
Yes, ma.
Please.
I would like to express my heart.
People just listen, excuse me.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for being here these 2 days and giving me your listening. And it has taught me a lot of things. You all have taught me a lot of things. And it's been a great experience, absolutely great experience for me to be here with you. And don't think that you're going away, because once you're here, you never go away. You become a part of the family. So
Welcome.
keep in touch, and we have your contact details, and we'll be in touch with you. And you have to think that you are a part of this family, and we have to spread the message of Swamiji. If you feel that you've been benefited, if you feel that something has touched you and something has transformed within you in these 2 days, I'm sure you will want to have it shared with your loved ones who can benefit as you have benefited. So please write down those people's names that you would like us to be in touch with next time. And that is the greatest service that you'll be doing then. Remember that. And they are a part of your life. So in the end, it's a virtuous circle you're creating. You're creating a circle for yourself where you will be getting support for whatever you believe in if they get transformed. So please be in it fully, totally, and give us all the support that you can in this good work that we want to do, and all of us are together. And once again, my deepest gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nityananda.
Nityananda.